Hello everyone. In this video we will see how you can create your own object detection machine learning model using Intellibot Studio. Let's go ahead, create a new project. Let's call it OD, initials for object detection. Now go to plugins and add plugin for Intellibot machine learning. Once that is done, open your main activity. On the left hand side, we'll have machine learning in the toolbox. Expand that and you will find object detection. Go ahead, drag and drop object detection to global objects. Before you can configure this object detection component, you will need to save the project. Let's go ahead, save this project on my desktop. Once that is done, you can go ahead, right click on this and click on configure. Here you can create your own new model or use one of the pre-trained model. To create your own model, select new model and click on OK. Give this model a name. Let's call it stamp detector. A description which is not mandatory. Then go to the train tab and click on plus beside images. So a new image group will be created. Right click on this image group and select import images. Go ahead, add as many images as you want. So for now let's just select one image here. So all the images that you select will appear underneath this image group. Double click on the image and the image will be loaded in this area. Press the Alt key and select the area that you want to detect. This is a stamp. I'll name this class as stamp. Go ahead and add as many classes as you want. For example, this is a signature. So I'll go ahead, name this as a signature. And so on. Once you have annotated all the images, you can go add number of epochs and click on the train button. Once the training is done, you can go ahead and test with different new images. If you are satisfied with the test results, you can go ahead and use the model. If not, you can add more images to training data and retrain the model. So to use this model, we need to double click on this object detection and drag this processed image onto the design surface. This component takes input of a file path and returns raw result and output image with boxes on the objects that we are trying to detect. So let's go ahead and try to use a pre-trained model for stamp and signature detection. I have added one more object detection. Selecting pre-trained models, if I hit refresh button, it loads all the models that I have trained previously. Let me select stamp and signature detection. So this is the stamp detector model that we just now created. Let's select a pre-trained model for stamp and signature that I trained previously and click on OK. Go ahead, test. Let's test with one of these images. The image has been imported. Click on test button. And it is successfully identified the stamp and signature with an accuracy of 99%. Let's test it with couple of more files. Try one more file. Test. So it has detected 2 signs and 1 stamp here with 99% accuracy for all of them. So if we are satisfied with this test result, let's go ahead, double click on this, drag and drop the process image component on the design surface and pass it a file path. Run from here. So it has successfully identified as a signature and it is 97% sure that this is a signature. If we can go ahead and preview the data as well for the bitmap image. So here we can see there was a signature here and no stamp was found in this document. So that's pretty much it on how you can create your own object detection model or use a pre-trained model using Intellibot Studio. Thank you.
Intellibot. Excellence made simple.